A few days ago, Ghibli images and videos were going super viral, but that's old news now. Right now, videos featuring toy figures are trending a lot. Creating these is really easy. You just upload a photo and add a few prompts, and you can make your own toy figure video in just one click. So, if you want to create videos like this, stick around till the end of this amazing video. First, you need to open the chat, and once you do that, you need to add an image you want to create a Roy figure video with. I have this half photo, but it's better if you upload a full photo that shows your shoes and all, so you can get a good result. For now, I've uploaded this photo, and there's an option coming up to enter a prompt. You need to write your prompt there. Here's what you need to write. As you can see, I've prepared a draft. I'll copy it and just paste it directly. So, if you want, you can copy and paste like this. If you want to take the pro version, I'll drop a link in my Telegram or the description box. You can grab the stuff from there. Just copy it and paste it here. Sorry, make sure to paste the first promo code here. And then you'll need to remove the first number and hit the generate button. It might take a couple of minutes, so just hang tight while you wait. I've sped up the video, so just keep waiting until it gets created. So, now take a look. You can see that our image has been created, and as you can tell, I added a half photo here, which is why you're only seeing half of it. If I had uploaded a full body photo, you would see the full body here. So make sure to add a full body photo. Alright, now, you need to save this image. It's just been created, so you'll need to convert it to a video. To do that, head over to the second website. Simply open PIXVERSE here. You need to check the link in the description box. After you open the site, go to the image to video option. Here, you'll see the option to upload a photo. I'll add this toy image that we generated earlier. You'll need to add that image here, and then enter your prompt. After the photo has uploaded, you'll need to put in the first prompt, and I'll tell you what the second prompt is. You can see I have the second prompt here. I'll copy it and then paste it here. That's all you need to do. You just have to copy and paste this stuff. No need to write anything. If you directly copy and paste it here, after that just hit the create button. You'll see it's generating, so you might need to wait a little bit. It won't take long, just about 10 to 20 seconds, and then it'll create the video for you. Now you can see that the video is ready, and this is my toy video that got created. That's how you can make a toy video, and you can also change the accessories here.